Welcome to my channel, and I'm Mishka, and this is my first vlog. So in my vlogs, I will be doing about slimes, my adventures, and my experiences. And I have my sister here,
Misha.
and today we are gonna make slime. So the ingredients are glue, shaving cream, and activator.
Paint, glitters, foam beads.
Now let's make slime. So first you pour on the glue. Let's pour on the glue.
There.
Now, okay. No, I'll pour it.
Pour, pour, pour.
A little bit of glue. Here.
Just a little bit.
I think that's good.
This one?
Yeah.
Is it good? Wait, where's the purple? We lost the purple.
Oh, I forgot. You need a bowl and a mixing tool. Yeah. And second step is to add some shaving cream.
foam.
If you don't want to add shaving cream, it is okay because the slime gonna work.
I will put on my slime. Oh no.
I think I will not add this. Okay.
Wait, I
Here.
can.
Now I'm gonna
Oh my
mix
gosh.
it. You said that's okay. I think I'm gonna add more to it.
There, here's our whipped cream inside.
Here, look at that. So cute. Now we're gonna mix it. Mix.
Mix.
This is good. Look at that fluffy looking. I love that.
Smells so good.
Now let's add paint. I'll do think yellow. My favorite color. I'll do yellow.
I will put some of purple. Wait, I think this is now open.
I think this is the open.
Oh yes.
Goes. Put some paint. Gonna put some paint in our slime.
Put some paint.
I'll do light because I will do like a banana slime.
Can you
One.
push open?
That's good. That's good. That's cute.
Can you push open?
Gonna open Nisha's. It's so hard. Oh my gosh, what happened?
I don't know. I think you should
Oh my gosh. I think it will dark. Oh yeah.
Turn
It
to
looks
dark.
banana.
Look at that.
Look at that. Oh,
Let's get the purple.
so good.
Let's put some a little bit paint.
Next up is to add the activator. Oh,
Just
I
a
think that's it.
little.
Oh my gosh, there's a hair. Okay, I'll take that later. Okay. Just a little bit activator. Make sure you don't over-activate
It's
your
like
slime.
the color of Twilight Sparkles.
Oh, I love Twilight Sparkle and Pinkie Pie.
Yeah.
And of course, Applejack. Rainbow Dash.
We put some activator.
Mix your slime until it forms.
It's
So-
over-activator, maybe.
Don't over-activate it.
Yeah, I don't over-activator it.
Okay,
I'll just put some little bit Twilight Sparkle color. Go.
Oh my gosh, this is a lot. Yay! I think this one's gonna be fluffy.
Your color is like Applejack.
Yes, of course I love Applejack. Yours Twilight Sparkle.
I wish I can put pink, but if you use pink color, because Ate Mishka had a...
Yes, we made a slime earlier. Here.
Yeah, we made a pink slime. So I wanna color pink slime. So I cannot make it because
What?
which one is yours.
Yes, I understand you. Okay. You want to add more activator?
Okay, I will. Waiting. I'll
So light.
more.
But that's okay because I love light color. Yeah, I'm mixing it.
Please
Becoming
open.
a slime.
Please open.
What? You can't.
Look at my
Oh my.
slime. There. It's okay now.
Borax is strong.
Oh, it's starting
That's
to
so
cover his slime.
This activator is strong.
Yes.
So you need to put little by little.
Oh.
Mix that slime so well.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot.
When I do butter slime, I always put yellow on it because butter is yellow. Like that. When I do fluffy slime, I always do pink or blue or red
Or
anything.
Or maybe.
Or maybe unicorn, yes.
I wish I have a unicorn poop slime.
You can't do unicorn poop, you just add glitter glue and activator. That's unicorn.
Now yours is a banana.
Banana.
Mine, oh, it's like
Smells good. Because of the shaving cream. Why the slime?
Can I have some more activator? Open up the activator.
Not really. Yes. It's becoming fluffy again. Like I did earlier. I wish it's fluffy or glossy or thick. That was my favorite slimes. I wish this becomes glossy and thick. Or fluffy.
I wish I had these.
I wish this becomes fluffy. Okay, I'll just put more, then I will clean it. Mix and clean. Okay, I'll just put more. There. Oh my gosh. Then, time to clean our slime.
Now.
Yes, it's turning to slime, guys. Look. Just like a trees or banana, I think.
I need to wipe my hands. I need
What are
to
you
wipe my,
freaking doing?
I need to wipe my hands.
More activators. It's still sticky.
I don't wanna be
There.
my hands
It's
to
slime.
be dirty.
Yes. Look at that. Ooh. Yeah, you guys. This is slime.
Put some little bit
What?
activator.
Okay.
Twilight sparkle.
Okay, I'll help you, okay? Wait in a minute.
I will call this Twilight Sparkle.
I love that name.
Wait, you call that Applejack?
No, I will not. This is not pony.
It's a pony thing. I wish you
Ta-da.
put add yellow like that, like orange.
Okay,
Dark orange.
you wanna help? You want a help?
Yes.
Okay. Mix it very well like that. Okay. That
Ow, ow,
look,
ouch.
it's forming like that. Okay. Keep adding activator, Misha, okay?
I think it will be overactivated.
No, it will not. Just knead it, okay? When you feel like it becoming slime. Forming. Then
It's
knead it.
forming to slime.
Like I'm doing, like this. Yay, guys, look at that.
This is final slime.
Yes.
Let's put some little bit activator. We forgot something.
What?
The detergent.
What? It's not.
Yes, we do forget the detergent. I'll just get this.
No, detergent not counted.
Oh, really? But you
It's
have
activator.
You can put anything.
Not detergent. I don't use detergent. I don't use detergent, okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay. Yes! So fluffy. It's so good and so fluffy. I'm done with my slime, guys. I'll just add foam beads. I'll add this foam beads. Now, guys, look. It becomes so good. Now, I'm gonna add some foam beads. Foam beads are the best. Foam beads are the best.
But
Okay. Gonna show you.
activator.
Oh, wait. Okay, wait. Misha can't make slime with herself, so I will help her. Okay. Okay, Misha, you can do that.
Just what did you did to my slime?
Smart.
Yeah,
Wait
I
up.
have 2 slimes now.
That was so harsh to make. Look at this slime. I love your slime, Misha. It's so big and so thick and so... Oh my gosh. I'm like...
Time for lunch. Wait, I'll get some more food.
What? We're getting...
I'm so hungry.
Wait, wash your hands first and we'll eat after this video, okay?
I'm really hungry.
Are you freaking sure about this? We're hungry.
I'm a pig.
She's a pig, that's right.
After I eat, I will always sleep.
Yes, that's good. That's a pig. That's a pig. Oh my gosh, I overactivated slime. Just kidding. You just need to knead it.
Why? Why did you do activator?
No, it's not. You just need to knead it.
Why?
It's
Why?
too much shaving cream. So much.
Do it mean over activator? I will put some. If I put some foam beads, I will put this.
What? You will put this. You will put this. This is the best. So best. So best.
I will put some salt.
Now.
This is a salt. Salt rainbow, please.
Okay. I'm making her slime.
Wait, you forget to
I think you can clean this now, so there. The slime is ready.
Wait.
Oh my gosh, the purple. I don't got the purple. I need wipes. Oh my gosh.
Now let's put some of these foam beads.
I need wipes, guys. So the purple cannot be here.
Oh, my slime is so big.
Is this clean? Now I'm gonna add the foam balls. Time to add the foam balls.
I love this foam beads.
Okay, now I'm gonna add this. I think mine's gonna be a cheese slime, not a banana slime.
No, it will be turned. Oh my gosh.
Gonna add on. There. Perfect. Then I'm gonna mix it.
A little bit. Want some gumballs? Bubble gum.
Ta-da! I think this is a cheese slime.
No.
So good.
I'll put some little bit gumballs. Here's a bubble gum.
Wow, it's so cute. I love it.
Some of little bit gumballs on there. Look at my gumball. There's a purple.
So good.
So I love rainbow because there's a purple, there's pink, all of the colors.
Blue, your favorite color.
Yeah, orange. Even pink is there. Don't forget to add the bubble gum.
I think that's too much.
No, it's not.
That's never enough.
We need to spread it over here.
Oh, what's that?
I think.
Oh, that's
It's kind of. It's
not
turning to
fluffy, but
crunchy.
it's little bit.
Hold it. It's like a crunchy. Look, hold it. It's like crunchy.
Yes, I love it.
So I love Twilight Sparkle.
So guys, this is my slime. I'll show it to you.
Look at our slime, so big. Look at my slime, so big. Like big.
I'll be more so. So that foam beads shows.
Let's put here your mixer so the lead will not be
One foam
there's. Oh no. I'll put some a little bit.
This one's so good. It's
I'll
fluffy.
put some little bit gumballs.
This one is my favorite color, so I love this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, what happened?
Oh my gosh. I'm pouring it here.
What are you doing? Look at this, I got crunchy slime here. Got crunchy slime. I love my crunchy slime.
But
A lot
not
of slime.
gourmet. Spread, spread.
Gosh, what just happened? That's good, that's good, that's good.
Wait. Oh my gosh.
I'm making a clear slime. I think this one will clear 3 days more. Show you.
Wow. I can see that all foam bits.
Look at that. Cheese. It's cheese.
Wait.
Like cheese, not
My-
banana. I don't know.
Oh, Applejack. I will call this Twilight Sparkle. What are you gonna call it?
No, it's not apple because it's not red.
No.
I think this is a banana cheese slime because
No, I know what is the name.
this one like cheese. This foam balls like cheese. And this foam balls like cheese and this color is like banana. So this is a banana cheese slime. Fluffy slime. Banana cheese fluffy slime.
We don't get the foam bits.
This one's fluffy.
Oh. My slime is so big. Wait, why I cannot stretch them?
Oh my gosh, that's overactivated. No, it's
Oh.
not. It can stretch.
Wait, there's a knife
I
here.
thought this was. Oh my gosh, the beads. My beads. This is my beads actually.
Half, half, half.
Oh, you can slice it. Misha's slime is so good. It has rainbow foam beads. And so good.
I will make it half.
And we're gonna play it.
And there's no
My gosh,
container.
the purple. Oh, what's not mix? Can you get this? There's the purple.
Wait.
I'll do it.
Give me it. Let's have the cake.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And comment down below what you want us to do. Bye. See you in the next video.